how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about iPhone XR on the iOS 16 Beta 1. Before starting this video, I would request you guys to hit that subscribe button because I am coming up with a lot of iOS 16 content, a lot of iOS 16 videos that you guys do not want to miss, and more reviews like these on different devices. So hit that subscribe button right now, and also we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can, so it would be really amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Now that you've done that, let's get right in today's video without wasting any more time. Alright, so I installed iOS 16 Beta 1 on my iPhone XR and I have been using it for about 1 day now, and a bit over a 1 day, but still, yes, it's not been a long time that I'm using my iPhone XR on iOS 16, but enough time for me to judge and tell you guys, is it safe to update your device or should you update? What all things I have noticed on my device after installing this update. Number one thing is some app crashes. Yes, the app crashes thingy is pretty normal on betas, and especially on beta on this early stage. We are just on the first beta of iOS 16. It is pretty normal to have app crashes. So if you are considering updating your iPhone XR on this firmware and it is your primary device, I would strictly say no to install this beta. In fact, any beta version, especially at this point, just do not install it on your device. It is not safe at all. Even if you are installing, for a second, if you are considering installing, I would recommend you guys to take a backup first of all. And now that you have taken the backup, now you can install this firmware on your device. But still, I would say just think about it. Is all this hassle, in case your device gets bricked or something, is all that hassle worth it? Because I don't really think so that iOS 16 really comes with like mind-boggling new things that just tempts everyone so much to update. I mean, okay, some few features, like example, the new photo feature that you can just drag and drop objects from photos, and voice recognition and everything. Those small features, and the new lock screen, those features work really amazing on iPhone XR. There is not a problem at all. Yes, there are some stuttering on iPhone XR in the lock screen, but that's pretty normal considering it's the first beta and it will get better eventually. Talking about the performance of iPhone XR surprises me a bit because I did not expect the difference between iPhone 11 and XR performance so much. I mean, last year when I installed the first beta of iOS 15 on my iPhone 11 and XR, the performance difference was really minimal. Though on my iPhone XR, for some reason, I compared to my iPhone 11, there is a lot of difference in terms of performance. The app loading times and everything is a tad bit slower compared to my iPhone 11, which was not the case last year. So yes, you can say iPhone XR has started to show its age a little bit, but still it is not to a point of iPhone 7 or iPhone 8. Of course, iPhone 7 does not support the iOS 16, but I mean the iOS 15 beta 1, I still remember it was so bad on my iPhone 7, literally not usable, to be very honest. It stutters, iPhone XR stutters a bit on iOS 16 beta 1, but it's pretty normal, and you should not really be worried about it that much in case you are installing it. Though I know a lot of you guys have already installed it on your device and watching this video after installing it. If you are one of those, comment down below. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will be coming up with a follow-up video of iOS 16 beta 1 tomorrow, so be sure to check that video out because you do not have to miss it. I will briefly talk about all of these devices, iPhone 11, 12 and XR, in my follow-up video, how these devices are performing in terms of battery life, because it is still, I would say, it should be as much time as I can give to these devices in order to get perfect measurement of how much the battery thingy is going on each devices, because it is just one device for you guys, but I have to test multiple. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Tech Hyped aka Jay, signing out. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.